Hi everyone. This is Kara, my little Huntress, my wiggle butt. She's constantly outside looking for squirrels. She's a Huntress. There she is. She's got her Huntress. See the wiggle butt? You see the wiggle butt? What do you got, beautiful girl? And this is Donnie. This is Donnie. Donnie! This is Donnie in our beautiful new no-kill adoption center, the Lonnie Loveland Wing. Carrie, what you got, beautiful? Barnaby loves his toys. So does Kara. And this is Tracy Ann. Hi, Tracy Ann. And this is our little Mocha Nut. Hi, Mocha Nut. Mocha Nut is 11 pounds of pure cuteness. What are you doing? What you got? And this is baby Huey. And he is a plot hound. And I know he's overweight, but that turned out to be a thyroid condition. So he is on thyroid medication, which costs a whole $10 a month. But we're working at getting that weight down. And because he put on 25 pounds very abruptly. Like he was eating pizza every night. And what are you doing, you little knucklehead? What you got? You got toys? Hi, Tracy. This is our little Charlene. Hi, Charlene. Wag your tail and say hi. Hi, sweetheart. Hi, sweetheart. This is the way she is all the time. She's calm. She's mild-mannered. She just seeks the company of humans. She's not that happy and fond of a whole bunch of dogs stepping on her and rolling on her. But she's a love girl. Hi, beautiful. She's so pretty. There she is. She's one of Rosie's Wetzel hounds. And this is a Miko. This is our 7-month-old Petite Akita puppy. Miko is going to be at least 110 pounds full grown. She is huge. I'm very experienced at Akitas, and I've never seen a girl as big as her. She's fabulous. But she can only be adopted to experienced Akita family. And this is our little K-Berry, the Huntress. You killing it? Are you killing it? She's killing it. Are you killing it? Are you killing it? Look at you, you tiny woman. She's 9 pounds of pure cuteness. She's killing it. She's a little terrier, and as you can see, if that were a squirrel or something like that, it would have a broken neck. And this is our Miss Blueberry. Hi, Blueberry. This is Blue. We got Blue. This is Miss Beautiful. That beautiful black shiny coat and that beautiful blue eyes. Come here, Blue. Blueberry. Can you say? Good girl. She's a wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. She's a good blue eye. There she is. Oh, she's so happy. She's so happy. This is the new house. This is your new place until your family shows up. Okay? This is where you get to play and sleep and eat. Okay? Good girl. What are you doing, Blue? Are you investigating? Hi. Oh, she's so pretty. I can't believe you haven't been adopted. You are so gorgeous. This is my prettiest girl. She's so pretty, and she loves men. Loves men. She's just a little huzzy. You going in your crate? You're a good girl. And look at you. Here's a pretty girl. Here's a pretty girl. Here's pretty. She's pretty. She's pretty. How you doing, Miko? Are you shredding? Are you shredding? Blueberry! Here's Blueberry. Here's Blueberry. What do you think, gorgeous? You like it? Huh? Do you like it? We did this all for you. So you have all this room to play in. Yeah. Isn't that fun? Sadie. Come here, Sadie. Sadie. This is Sadie. This is Sadie. And this is Betsy. She is such a wiggle butt that she goes sideways when she's walking, when she's so happy. Her tail, I'm not sure if it came that way or someone in West Virginia thought it needed to be that way. We're not sure. And again, there's my pretty little girl, Charlene. See how petite she is? She's just a little under 30 pounds. And I know you can't see her because she's black, but she is also shiny and beautiful. And this is my red-bone coonhound, Juliana. Juliana! Hi, gorgeous. This girl is calm and serene, low maintenance. She's not extremely verbal. She just likes to sit up on the top of her crate and look out the window. She doesn't have to chase everything like everyone else does. Hi, sweetheart. Hi, beautiful girl. And that's Kay still playing. Look at you. What do you got? You got your toys and now you're happy because you got toys. Yay! You got toys. Have you got toys? She's got toys. She's got toys. Yeah. What are you doing, Blueberry? You having fun, Blue? Good girl. Blueberry having fun. Is she having fun? That's a fun thing, huh? See how shiny she is? And Charlene is just as shiny. Of course, that's because we use Cali Ho Mobile Grooming to keep them shiny for me. But they really are beautiful dogs. And this is our hospital bed. This is Jake, handsome Jake. He's terminally ill with cancer, so he doesn't like to be pushed around, obviously. He's an old man. So we're just trying to keep him calm and pain-free. Hey, bud. Hey, buddy. What are you doing, you nosy? Hi, Jewel. Hi, Jewel. Nosy, Nellies. Hi, handsome Jake. And this is Lady Zara. She is my most perfect dog. She's the greeter. She's the mom of everyone. She takes care of everyone here. She greets everyone. This is so pretty. She's pretty. She came in from Kentucky with a litter of puppies. The Delaware Puppy Rescue found homes for her, but she's still here, waiting for her turn to go home. Who's a big girl? Who's pretty? Oh, she's talk to me. Talk to me. Talk to me. Look at that beautiful thing. Look at you. Look at you, you pretty little woman. Hi, baby girl. She's so pretty. She's so pretty. Hello. She's a little foxhound mix. Foxhound.